So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the top day gainer stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device, what I want you to do is to go into the bottom tab right here and press on the search bar or the discover icon. Once you're here, simply just make sure in the top left that you have equities selected. If you're looking for the top daily gainers in regards to stocks, you have to make sure that the equities tab is selected. So for whatever reason, if crypto is selected, simply just slide this bar to the left and press on equity. Then just scroll down until you come across the option that says day gainers and losers. Discover the equities with the greatest gains and losses in the trading day, and make sure that right below it that gainers is selected. If for whatever reason losers is selected, just make sure that gainers is selected and make sure that it has a blue underline as well as blue font. Then once that is done, just press on day gainers right here to open up this screen, and now what you can do is view the top day gainers for some stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So fairly straightforward, but that is how to view the top daily gainers in regards to stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.